Good morning, I am Jai Gurudev. Today we will discuss chapter 3, pair of linear equation in two variable. Already we have started this one chapter. Now in this chapter we will discuss ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is the standard format of linear equation in two variable, where a not equal to 0, b not equal to 0 and a, b, c are real number. Now if it is pair of linear equation in two variable, then what happen? We have to take like this way: a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, where a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 are real numbers and a1 square plus b1 square not equal to 0 and a2 square plus b2 square not equal to 0. This one is the standard format of linear equation in two variable. Now in this lesson we have to discuss method for solving a pair of linear equation in two variable and how to solve a pair of linear equation in two variable and method of solving. Here in this chapter we have to discuss two methods. One is graphical method, another is algebraic method. With the help of graph we have to find the solution of a linear equation in two variable. That means we find the value of x and y. Next, algebraic method. Algebraic method, there are three types of algebraic method. One is substitution method, another is elimination method, and third one is cross multiplication method. Next, if these two, a1 x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, where a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2 are real number, this pair of linear equation, if we want to solve the graphically, that means graphical method, then we know that linear equation in two variable represent a straight line. That means here how many linear equations are there? A pair means two linear equation. That means from here two straight line will form. One is suppose L1 from this equation and this one from this equation. If we take L2 line, L1 line, this one L1 line and this one L2 line. Why? Because a linear equation in two variable represent a graphical representation what? A straight line. That's why here pair of means two linear equation in two variable. That's why from these two equation we will get two lines. Now graphical method for solving a pair of linear equation in two variable. This graphical method, if two lines are there, then lines may be what? Lines may be intersecting line like this way, lines may be parallel like this way, and lines may be overlapping to each other, that is known as coincident. That means from this pair of linear equation will form two straight line, and these two straight line may be these three types. That means these two lines may be intersect each other at a point and maybe what? Parallel to each other, and maybe what? Coincident, means overlapping each other. Now lines may be formed. This one, if it is intersecting, then it intersect at a point. That means line L1 and L2 if intersect at a point, then what happen? This intersecting point coordinate if AB, then solution is unique. Why unique? Because only one, and here x is equal to A and y equal to B. And sometimes graph may be like this way: one line is this one, another line is this one. That means here line L1 and L2 L2 are parallel to each other. Yeah, L1 is parallel to L2. Yeah, L2 is parallel to L1. That's why they do not intersect. So they have no solution. Means if lines are parallel, then there is no solution. And if lines are coincident, means overlapping each other, then each and every point of L1 will be point of L2. That means if lines are coincide, then infinite number of solutions are there. Understand? That means suppose this one point L1 point, this one point L2 also, this one point L1, this one point L2 also. Like this way, from the graph we can find the solution of the equation. Now linear equation. Again linear equation. Here linear equation, this system of linear equation, two types. One is consistent pair of linear equation, another is inconsistent pair of linear equation. And consistent pair of linear equation when they have at least one solution. They have infinite solution also, they have at least one solution, then that pair of linear equation is known as consistent pair of linear equation. And that type of graph will be what? Intersecting and coincident. If intersecting, directly we can say consistent pair of linear equation, and if it is coincident, then dependent consistent pair of linear equation. And inconsistent, if it is linear equation pair of inconsistent pair of linear equation, then they have no solution. There is no solution. If there is no solution, means graphical representation will be parallel line. So graphical, from the graph we can solve pair of linear equation. If graph is intersecting, then they have unique solution. If it is parallel, then there is no solution. If it is coincident, then they have infinitely many solutions. And a system of pair of linear equation, it may be the consistent pair of linear equation, yeah, inconsistent pair of linear equation. If at least one solution, yeah, many solution also, then consistent pair of linear equation. One solution, consistent pair of linear equation, yeah, infinitely many solution, we can say dependent consistent pair of linear equation. And if it is consistent pair of linear equation, the graphical representation will be intersecting and coincident. And in inconsistent pair of linear equation, then there is no solution and graph will be pair of parallel line. Next. Now, nature of solution by comparing the ratio of coefficient. Here, this one, a1, a2, a1x, b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, where a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 are real number. If we compare their coefficient, means coefficient of x is a1 by a2. If we compare coefficient of y, means b1 by b2, and c constant coefficient, if we compare, then c1 by c2. Now nature of the solution by comparing the ratio of coefficient. Now coefficient of x, coefficient of y, coefficient of constant, if we compare, then their ratio will be a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. Now if a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then solution will be what? Unique solution. And that one, if it is unique solution, then lines will be intersecting, because from these two linear equation, yeah, pair of linear equation, we will get two lines. That's why if their coefficient ratio not equal, means a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then solution is unique and intersecting line. And if it is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2, then there is no solution. Why? Because lines are parallel. And if all ratios are equal, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then they have infinitely many solutions. If infinitely many solution, then lines are coincident line. For example, suppose this one pair of linear equation, x minus twice y equal to 0, 3x plus 4y minus 20 equal to 0. Here a1 by a2 means this x coefficient is 1, this x coefficient is 3. Therefore, the ratio will be 1 by 3. And here b1 by b2 is equal to minus 2 by 4. Minus 2 by 4, if we reduce, then this one will be minus 1 by 2. And c1 by c2 equal to 0 by 20. Here a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Why? One is 1 by 3 and another is minus 1 by 2. And second pair of linear equation, if we take twice x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 18 equal to 0. Now coefficient x a1 by a2 equal to 2 by 4, here 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2, and b1 by b2 here 3 by 6 is equal to also 1 by 2, and here constants are minus 6 and minus 18. Therefore c1 by c2 equal to minus 6 by minus 18 equal to 1 by 3. Here a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Therefore this one no solution. If their ratios are like this way, ratios are a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2, then what happened? There is no solution and lines are parallel. And third one example, x plus twice y minus 4 equal to 0 and twice x plus 4y minus 8 equal to 0. Here ratios a1 by a2 equal to 1 by 2 and b1 by b2 equal to 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. Again c1 by c2 equal to minus 4 by minus 8 means 1 by 2. Here what happened? All ratios equal to 1 by 2. Therefore a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Therefore this one lines what happened? Infinitely many solution. Why? Lines are coincident. That means coincident lines will form. I hope all of you understand.